Did you know that a father-son duo decided to replicate a Lamborghini Aventador? This is your Christmas fun fact. Towards the middle of 2018, a father and his son decided to embark on the journey of creating a replica of the Lamborghini Aventador. The boy loved playing this racing video game, and his car choice was always the Aventador. So one day he looked at his dad and asked him if he could create one with him. His dad, being a physicist, said yes, and they started on an 18-month journey of building an exotic car. They used car parts from Corvettes, Porsches, Lamborghinis, and most impressively, parts made from a 3D printer. They were all in. They were making some serious progress when Lamborghini heard about their story and decided to surprise them. Take a look to see how this boy reacted to the surprise of his dreams.
I got a phone call from Lamborghini, and the idea was that they were going to swap a real Aventador for our project in the dead of night. I think I got it done.
I love my dad.
From what I understand, Lamborghini only rented it to them for a few days, but it was still very special and a kind Christmas deed for this sweet family. Although you might not wake up to a Lamborghini in your garage tomorrow morning, I wish you guys a very Merry Christmas and enjoy this time with your loved ones. See you next week.